Meaning of grinder.
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 Grinder. The word grinder has different meanings depending on the context. It could refer to a tool or machine used for grinding, crushing, or sharpening materials such as coffee beans, spices, or blades. It could also be a slang term for a person who works hard and steadily, usually in manual labor. In addition, grinder is a type of sandwich typically made with meat, cheese, and vegetables. The versatility of this term makes it important to consider the context in which it's used to accurately understand its meaning.